I've said it time without number here that there is no shortcut to success. Whether you believe it or not, in this life, making money is a stage, right? It's stage by stage thing. It takes time. It's a process. So you cannot come and just jump into making money so easily. And that's one reason why many YouTube videos and channels have been deleted recently. Yes, that is what you're going to be discussing here. How to avoid that. All right. There was a time we were saying, please stop deceiving the masses. Stop telling them to make $1,000 in 1 minute using Google. Stop telling them to make $50 in 2 minutes using Amazon. Stop lying to these people. You are deceiving people, but yet some say that it doesn't concern them that they are saying the truth. And in the recent time, YouTube has taken action to delete some videos and even some channels. All right? There is one woman like that. I've been on her channel before where he was telling people make this so amount of money, a lot of money with Google and the rest, do this, go to this site and get free money. All these were lies. So when I watched one of her videos, I mentioned, please stop deceiving these people. What's that name? Odita somebody, Rockhead or something like that. I think I have a name here. Odita Rockhead. And she ignored my message. Another one from Nigeria here, a fellow content creator, is Franklin. Yes. When I got to one of her videos, I said, listen, you know what works and what does not work. Why lying to these people? Tell them the truth. Frank was like, he knows what he's doing. He has been here. He has made this. He has been there. He has made a lot of money. I was like, you made a lot of money because it took you time. Yes, I've been on this online space for more than 10 years making money. So I know it's not easy, but the way you guys spend this picture, it's as if everything is so easy to make money online. All right? And in the recent time, thank God YouTube are taking action, and many of them are out there crying. But when we were saying it in the past, you guys were not listening. So if you are this type of person that come online, come on YouTube specifically, and lie to people that they can make $100,000 in 2 minutes, or they can make $5,000 in 2 minutes by going to a particular site, YouTube is coming for you. So it's time for you to retrace your step. Otherwise, this hammer that is hitting a lot of people will hit on you. And your videos will be deleted. Or in a worse way, your channel will be deleted too. Because so many channels have been deleted in the recent time. So that's number one reason why some videos are deleted and channels. Number two is sharing some malicious links. See, listen, I know most of us want to get brand deals, all right, sponsorships. But on this internet space, there are so many criminals. That's what they call them, why we call them cyber criminals. All right. So they may come to you and paint a picture that they have a service or a product that they want to market. You should help them, that they want the world to know should help them to do that, make some videos about that and push it to the people, your audience to watch, to click and watch. Some of these links are deceptive. All right, this website may be showing what the guy told you at the initial, tells you at the initial stage, everything you see the products. But a time may come when you start duping people or change everything about that website and it becomes a website for scamming. All right, so even as you market some products or pick some sponsored deals, please ensure that once in a while check that website. Or better still, avoid leaving the link to that website in the description. Just show them on the screen because anything can change anytime. So there are a lot of criminals here. So before you take any brand deal or put any link in your description in your video for people to go and watch and maybe buy one or two things or subscribe for one or two services, be careful because that's number one reason. Another reason, number two reason why some channels are getting deleted and why some channels are videos are getting deleted too. And if you broadcast this kind of thing, when it gets to monetization, you may not be able to monetize that channel because it's deceptive. All right, it's deceptive. All right, so when you apply, YouTube will ban you that they are not going to approve your monetization because of so reason. All right. So, and in that case, you'll be stranded after working for years or for some months. You see yourself wasting your time and not getting anything in return. All right. I'm being loud on this video because it is because I don't like, some kind of thing that is happening. Okay. Then another reason why some videos and some channels are deleted is because of what you call copyright infringement. I've said this in most of my videos, okay? A video like this, whereby I talk to people about how to succeed on YouTube. Please, any music that you don't have the right to use, you don't have the right, you're not the owner of that music, don't use it. It will put you into trouble. Yes, unless those ones that are made available in YouTube Studio for you to download and use. Apart from that, if there's any particular song that is trending in your country, all right, maybe music sung by, song sung by those popular artists, and you're using it to create video or is playing at the background of your video, is an offense. That video may end up getting deleted. Or if you're on the journey to getting monetized, when is the time for monetization, you will not be granted approval. All right, because of what? Because you have a music you don't have the right to use. It's copyrighted song. So please avoid that. Avoid the temptation. YouTube is a special platform. It's not like other platforms. You can do that on Facebook or even on TikTok or their social media platforms and succeed. But here it is not the same. They are cleaning up the system. They don't want any unnecessary lawsuit from any person. These are one of the things they're trying to, this is one of the things they're trying to avoid. So because it's not their own, you don't have the right to use it, don't put them into trouble. Okay? So please be careful. All right. Then the next reason why some videos are being deleted on some channels is because of clickbait. Don't promise people something on your title and in the on your title and in your thumbnail and do another one. Okay, take for example, in the world of football, maybe you want to create a football content and you say Messi and C Ronaldo are now playing in the same club because you want to get clicks. All right, they're not playing in the same club. Then when they play the video, they will find out that there's nothing like that. Maybe you use AI to bring them together and they're playing. That's deception. You are deceiving the masses. So when you create this kind of video, it may end up deleted or your channel may end up getting banned because you are lying to the people, you are deceiving people. So stay clean. There is this joy when you are clean in what you do. Be sincere to the masses, be sincere to the people. Don't lie to them. You may get the money now, but in future, something that will hurt you will be bigger than the money you are getting now. All right. Then the next reason why you may not, if some channels may not get monetized when they reach the monetization threshold is by subscribing to some sites that provide views and clicks through illegal way. Yes, there are some sites out there that can give you watch hours or give you views. So if you are maybe in a hurry to get monetized and you go and subscribe to these channels, when it's time to get for you to apply, YouTube will detect that. They have a lot of powerful tools, more than what you know, so they will detect it. All right. So these are the reasons why some channels are getting deleted, some videos are getting deleted, and why some channels monetization requests are being rejected. So please be careful out there. Do your thing. Be sincere. Pass your message. Be sincere. Stop lying to the people. All right, and stop doing some illegal things. So once you avoid these things, you'll be clean. Your channel will keep on growing. Your money will keep on coming. It will be becoming small now. The time will come when to accumulate. So don't be too fast. Take this easy. Okay. So once you avoid this, you'll be good. All right. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that this video will reach more people because it is valuable content. Thank you. You can watch this video here too to learn more. See you some other time. Stay blessed.